Hello everybody, double dog adventures, but I got 3 with me. I'm gonna hike a Koomer Ridge, Hidden Arch. This way, guys. We are headed down Hidden Arch Trail off Koomer Ridge. Beautiful Sunday morning. No hiking poles today because I forgot them in the truck. I'm trying to get all the dogs ready and cars were coming in the parking lot. Didn't feel like turning around and getting them, so I'm gonna hike without hiking poles today. See how that goes. And I got 3 dogs, so hiking poles kind of get in the way sometimes too. Check out that burrow. I'm not gonna say what it looks like. Alright, come down here to the little overlook before we go down to Hidden Arch. Yeah, still got a little color hanging on right here in front of us. Alright, go up here and head down to Hidden Arch. Come on. Wait till I can see. Alright, go ahead. Go on, Ripley. Come on, Ripley, you can do it. No, go down. You can do it. Good girl. Good girl. Here we're coming up on Hidden Arch. Wait, guys. Good. Very good. All right, let's go. Wait on me. You don't have to come back up, just wait on me. Ripley. 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 Good girl. Okay. It's been a little while. I've been hiking. Last week was the first time in several months. So I'm a bit out of shape. But gotta get out here and put the miles in to get back in shape to do the big hike. So here I am. I was gonna share something that I use. It's a runner supplement usually, but a lot of hikers use them, is goo. Love goo. They give you a little charge. It's not a artificial filling energy. Just all body energy, kind of put some stuff back in you that you're losing. Amino acids, sodium, you can get them without caffeine. I prefer with caffeine. Got a jet blackberry. So I usually eat one of these and drink a big bunch of water with it. And especially if you are a alcohol connoisseur and drink a little too much bourbon around the fire, yeah, these will help you rebound. So I was at a UK game last night, so I might have had a couple of drinks. So, eat my goo and keep on moving down the trail. Come on. No, don't start that. This is Buck Creek. Love this spot. Dogs do too. Whew. And now at the top of the Buck Trail. I'm ready to hit Sheltoe. Release the dogs and send a few more people. It's too narrow in here to step off, so we'll just leash them up. When they get tired, I don't even think they mind. It's a little break up here. And it's beautiful. Come on, Ripley. Little sloppy. You ready to take a little break? All right, let's go. Get these legs in shape. Definitely hiking the Foothills Trail in February or March. South Carolina, North Carolina border. So, when I see other videos and what I read, a lot like hiking in the gorge. A lot of ups, small ups and downs, which really sometimes are worse than big ups and big downs. Alrighty, we are back to the Pincham Type Trail. And also, it's the Sheltoe. I'm going to take it back to Koomer Ridge Trail and back out to the truck. 10-11 mile loop. Well, kind of a figure 8 loop I've done. If you'd like to know the routes I take up here, leave a comment and ask. I'll answer and let you know which routes I take. Usually I try to make them like 10 to 15 mile loops. They're not necessarily loops. You might have to cover some trail over. Not a lot. But if you're interested, now you're gonna give my dogs all kinds of bad ideas.
I don't think that's fitting it.
Oh, they'd try.
You need a bigger backpack.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Y'all have a good hike. All right, guys, here comes some more people. Let's step off. Come on. Step off. Come on, let's step off. Let them go by. Rain. Over here. Stay with me. Good girl. Good girl, Ripley. Rain. Let them pass. Let them pass. Gotta let them pass. Good. Stay. Stay. Rain. Rain. No. Let them pass. Let them pass. Good babies. All right, y'all ready? Stay behind me. Stay behind me. Got other hikers. Stay behind me. Be polite. You gotta be polite. Good job, guys. Good job, Panzer. Good job, Rainy. Good job, Ripley. Oh yeah, we still got some color. Signature rock. Hello. Come on. Nope, come on. I feel good, baby. And this is why I prefer waterproof boots. They get a little warm, but you can walk through the creek. We're getting ready to turn on the Koomer Ridge trail now. One last daunting climb. Up, up, up. Come on. Y'all out of shape too, ain't you? Still going up. There's a big turtle head rock. Finally reached the top of Koomer Ridge. Let me know how bad out of shape I am. So we got about a mile and a half to go. We're all wore out. Except for Rain. She's never wore out. No, you're never wore out, are you? Sweetie girl. Getting a bit of a thigh cramp, so I thought I'd stop here and stretch it out for a second. Drink some Propel. Might be sore tomorrow. Gotta get back in shape again. Don't know why I let myself get out. I know I'm gonna suffer every year because I ain't gonna quit hiking. Alright, made it to the end. Back to Koomer Ridge campground. 12 miles according to my GPS. 14 according to my Fitbit. So I think it's probably 12 miles. And that concludes today's adventure. Get out and make yourself a... That concludes today's adventure. Get out there and have you an adventure. Double dog dare you.